All right, you guys, I am about to share with you what I think could be the best Christmas present for all of your prepper friends, your homesteading friends. Hey, why is my butt wet? And possibly anybody who just likes a good drink. So, today I'm gonna show you how we make our apple pie moonshine. It's so yummy. Okay, so our apple pie moonshine comes from Jack Spirko's recipe. It's a little bit different. If you want to use his recipe, I'll put the link down below. You just need to order some things online or go to like a Whole Foods that you can get slightly better ingredients. We just needed to make it straight from what we can have at our local Walmart. So this video was recorded maybe a month ago when we had a really big cold spell and we hit freezing temperatures here in Central Texas, which is rare. And this drink is probably the best sitting by the fire, either if you have a wood stove or here in Texas where we just do campfires throughout the winter. It is the most delicious winter drink. This is what we gave all of our family because yes, we love Jesus, but we drink a little.
Listen, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
I love Jesus, but I drink a little.
And this drink is so good. And I will tell you, there is a whole lot of booze in it, but it is yummy, yummy, yummy. I should not be drinking this at 9 o'clock in the morning. Yes, we're Texans. When it gets into the low 40s, we don't know what to do, and that's kind of cold for us, even inside. Now we have heaters, but I feel like you are not allowed to turn on the heater the same week that you had the AC on. That should be a rule. In celebration of being cold weather, I'm going to make apple pie moonshine. This is the Jack Spirko method. I'm not going to tell you his secrets. You'll have to go to, I'll put his link down below. You'll have to go and listen to his podcast. This is almost exactly everything that he does. He just does it slightly different and gets better ingredients than what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mail it in and do it the easy way. What we're going to use is Captain Morgan's spiced rum, vanilla vodka, and if you have real moonshine, we do not have real moonshine, so instead of real moonshine, we are going to use, EVERCLEAR. Let's make it. All right, so what you're gonna do is take 2 gallons of apple cider, not apple juice. We're gonna use apple cider. So 2 gallons of this. And yes, you can split this in half, but Kelly really likes campfires, and evidently she really likes to get plastered by the campfire. So she wants me to make the full 2 gallons. Don't get mad at my wife. It's just a fun thing. This will last us several months. This is a lot of booze. So that's 1 gallon. All right. Gonna go ahead and start the fire on that. I'm gonna heat this up. 2 cups of brown sugar and 2 cups of honey. And then we're going to boil the cider in with the brown sugar and honey, and then let it dissolve. 1 cup. So 2 cups brown sugar. Costco took away our Texas honey, so all we have is Kirkland's organic honey. So there is 2 cups of honey and the sugar. So now what I'm going to do is let this boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for like 20 minutes. Waiting for it to boil. Kelly does not like my beanie. Kelly, why don't you like my beanie hat? You can't see her face. I think it's because she didn't buy it and she was jealous.
Maybe you should
that she didn't.
ask them to leave you a comment about what they do like about your beanie.
What does this beanie hat make you think of? This is taking forever. It boiled, I turned it off, gonna let it cool all the way down, then we put the alcohol in. Okay, so I'm gonna put 2 cups of the vanilla vodka, 2 cups of the Captain Morgan spiced rum, and then 750 milliliters of the EVERCLEAR. All right, so you just saw how much you can get from this recipe. Definitely if you want to cut it in half, you don't have to make as much, and then you can make it, you know, later on. Put it in a little ball jar, maybe wrap like a ribbon or something, make it a little more presentable, and give it to that person that likes just a fun alcoholic drink. It is so good. I promise that everybody, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, sitting around, you know, whenever it's cold weather outside, you want to get inside, bundled up, you want to eat your pumpkin pie, you have this with your dessert. Oh my goodness, it is delicious, and they will love you because you made it. You made it for Christmas. It's like a homemade thing that you cared enough for them to make. They're gonna love you. All right, it's really raining out here, and this chair is, I did not know that it was wet, and now my butt's wet, and that sounded bad. My butt is wet. I did not say that I have butt sweat. This went downhill. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.